Listen, all these tires is from the last 2 days. From the last 2 days. I mean, I would never put a used tire on my car, but the used tire industry is one hell of a business, man. You know, we selling these tires for like $60 a tire, and he probably pay like $2. He pays $1 per tire. You know what I mean? My recommendation is never put a used tire on your car. But if you want to run a business selling them, you can. I mean, all these tires in 2 days. It's like 40 tires in two days. That's crazy. You times that by fucking $60. Yeah, I forgot to mention that. Damn, it's windy as hell. Yeah, I mean, yeah, used tires ain't the best thing to get, but sometimes when you come in with a tire like this, I mean, look at that tire. It's fucked up. You know, a tire like this that's ready to pop. I mean, if you could get a used tire for like $30, $60, whatever the cost may be, better than riding on this and fucking up your rim. But if you could get like a good used tire like this or something, I mean, these are bad, but tread like this are a little better. That may last you another year or 2 years, you know. Sometimes these used tires, I mean, new tires can cost you like, you know, 140, 200. It don't matter. It depends on what type of brand you get. You know, and sometimes the used tire come in handy. So, you know, I don't knock used tires. I'm not against them, but I would never put them on my car personally. But yeah, sometimes you use, especially if you like in a tight spot, you can't afford it at that time or whatever. I mean, yeah, used tire will work, but you know, it is what it is. It all depends on your situation, but you definitely don't want to drive like that. You don't want to drive like that.